Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy 21 Trading in the bit, and I'm here to break down how my trading journey is going. As you see, it's not looking pretty at all, but I have a very valid explanation, and we have a long way to go, boys. So let's get this joint going. Sheesh. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy 21 Trader, and we are back for part 2. Oh my god, I am doing bad, but it's only 1%, so, or 2% if you want to count that. So I mean, like I said, my risk right now is pretty good actually. This is my 1-to-1 trade. This is like, as you see, they're like the same amount. This is my 1-to-1 trade. These was break evens. These was like filler trades. As you see, proper risk management, right? Proper risk management. My 1-to-1 trade for a 10 lot is 1500. Is 1500 to 3000. That's my 1-to-1 trade for a 10 lot. A 5 lot, it's where is it? 5 lot is 500 to 1000. So I'm okay with this risk. You don't have to be okay with this, but I'm okay with this risk, right? So this is obviously, I'm glad I actually took these 2 losses. I'm not really proud of this one, but I'm actually glad I took these losses because it made me realize something wrong with my trading, and I'll get to that later. But in this explanation, in this part two, we're going to explain what happened in this setup and in this setup, and they're pretty much like the same setup, but still took a L. So let's get to it. And by the way, this is My Forex Funds. If you're looking to get My Forex Funds, the link is in the description down below. And yeah, and we basically got to make 20 grand now. So before I show you those 2 trades, this is the video of getting 2K profit and hitting break even. It didn't show it live. Well, basically it did show it live, but basically hit 2K profit. I was in profit for 1700, then it escalated to 2K like 5 minutes later. Then some news hit right the other way, and it literally matched this candle energy. As you see, the trade was just a continuous downtrend. I believe this is the 15-minute, but continuous downtrend. As you see, easy setup. Support was broken right here, took a sell right here. Simple as that. Nothing, no ifs, ands, or buts, just simple trade. Oh wait, hold on, I didn't even see that. Hold on, go back. Okay, my entry was here. I didn't even know that. I thought my entry was here the whole time. So all right, let's go back there. I don't even know my own setup. Jesus Christ. My entry was somewhere around here. Probably right. I think it was right here because it had a wick up and I knew it was going to push down, and it pushed down, and I hold it for like an hour probably before it actually wanted it. Yeah, I think this was the day I was recording the other video, and I wanted to show you guys the profit, but I just end up finishing that video. I didn't feel like editing it again. So price pushed down. It was simple fundamental trade. I mean, simple technical trade. But then the fundamentals kicked in, and when the fundamentals kicked in, it's just ugly, bro. So $1,500 profit. We in another trade. We in the EU. As you know, this is our 200K funded, and we have. Yesterday was break even, so we're still at the same amount. Right now we're at this amount, and now it's retracing. For what? So I've been holding that for like an hour or 2, and price finally had a breakthrough, as you can see through support area right there. Huge breakthrough technical wise, but price had a news drop and I did not know about it, and I totally forgot to add US to my Forex Factory filters. Like, I just filter everything out, and the ones obviously I need, they're there. So US was not there. I had Euro, but US was not there, and I was not aware of that. So the next trade, I explained what really happened, even though I just explained it now. But in this trade, it hit break even of like $30 and like $200. Unfortunately, unfortunately, it just hit my 1-to-1, which was my 1-to-1 was right here at support, and that's why I really wanted to take it too. So just in case it did come back up, technical I knew it was gonna go down, but fundamental, that joint just hit me out of nowhere. But technical wise, I was ready for like a push down, which my entry was right here. I know it's blurry. I have no idea why it's blurry, but my push down was right here. push down, push down, push down, push down. I knew it was going to push down here and like play around. It was going to show some type of reaction here. Then it was going to come back up. If it broke through, I knew it was going to come back up and continue downwards, but it was going to continue downwards heavy without any news. That's how the market moved. It's just simple as that. And guess what? I was right later on in London session, but this was the session. This was like probably like, I think like 8 o'clock, 8, 9 o'clock. This was, I'm telling you, I was editing that other video and this happened. I was like, and this is the I literally made this, I see this one's clearer. I don't know why, but the other video, I made that 5 minutes before I made this one. Play it. So the same shit happened 2 times in a row.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
Times in a row, bro. Like,
God damn!
it hit us at break even again. It only has $200 profit that trade. It was just up $2,000. Not even fucking 4 minutes ago. So 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That is a minute's trade, bro. You see what happens? This is all technicals, smooth trading, fundamentals kick in. Fundamentals kick in. And this was the second to the last time fundamentals killed me, bro. Fundamentals killed me 4 times. 4 times, bro. I'm tired of it, bro. And this was the last setup. This was the last setup. The $1,500 loss and $1,400 loss. Well, no, $1,500 loss or whatever, which one it was. But those losses were accumulated between these two. So that last video is one of them. This one is this one. So whatever video that was. I forgot to add the US on. I had Euro, G, Great British Pound, and I had JPY, but I did not have the US. US dropped news, and I didn't know. Even though it didn't show the result of the news, it's still just like, still, that was on me. I did not see that. I gotta pay attention more. I know why. This was the 4th time. This was the 4th time this happened, when price just melted or inflated out of nowhere. This one caught me off guard because, like I said, I didn't have the correct filter on Forex Factor, and that is important because you usually want to avoid news, or some people trade the news. Totally, that's their field. Clearly, it doesn't work for me. It took me out every single trade. Every single trade I took, it was break even until 2 setups melted. Just melted. And if you didn't have risk management, I would have just lost a lot more. So I would have been like, wait, move stop loss, move stop loss, move stop loss. And I think it touched here and it just went back up. I don't remember. But those were those 2 trades, and these trades taught me so much. So much was wrong with my trading, because with the the reason I had break evens was on me, right? The reason I had break evens on that before was because the setup wasn't ready yet. And in the middle, the first day was my fault because the trade wasn't ready. The second day was because my trades, I didn't put the trade at break even, so it hit stop loss because of a resistance. That was on me. It's on me. These other 2. These other 2. This trade was that absolute meltdown. This trade was like, that was a stupid trade of me, I ain't gonna lie. That was on me. That I don't even remember the setup, but it was a dumb setup and I took it. And that was because price hit a resistance and it melted after it hit resistance. I was hoping to have a reaction, not that type of reaction, but a reaction like it will hit it, come back down. That's why I didn't move it, put it at break even, because I know it's gonna come back down. But it melted. It melted. Like, I was like, so now my win rate is 50%. If technically speaking, it's 0%. I haven't even had a real win yet. and it kind of makes me mad because that could have been avoided because of the news. This could have been avoided if I just didn't look at it. These could have been like early wins if I wanted it to, but I'm not going to do that. These could have been TP1, so that would have been like, this would have been 1200, this would have been 1000, no, 500. No, this would have been 600, this would have been 500, 500, 500, 500. No, that didn't hit. That means that didn't even hit break even. Shit, that didn't even hit 10 pips. That could have been 300, a little bit more profit, as a 1-to-1, and this could have been probably just 0, honestly. But I got 24 days left to make 20 grand, basically. So I ain't worried. I know what I can do. And what it taught me is what it taught me is my setup was completely wrong, and for the past 3 weeks, I've been freestyle trading. In my words, freestyle trading is you just doing no plan, no nothing, and I was taking advantage of what I knew, but I didn't have my plan. I wasn't using my plan. I was just trading, right? And that was my issue. And I realized that after I lost last week, I was like, something's wrong. And it took me like 8 hours of actually back testing, 8 hours of finding a new pair. It ain't the pair it was made, but I wanted a smooth pair, and I ended up finding EC, EuroCAD, and AJ as my smooth pairs. US 30, I don't think I want to trade US 30. My plan doesn't really work best for US 30, so it's just there, and I'm about to remove it. Honestly, just get out of here. It's not going to work with my strategy. I already know that. I'm not even going to bother. So, and my strategy is quite simple. I gotta keep it simple. And my charts, as you see, my charts was messy because I was freestyling. I was literally freestyling, and it kills me because I was freestyling, it cost me 3 grand. So don't freestyle. But I was literally taking advantage of the knowledge I had, the skills I had, and the psychology, because I know I can hold it and wait and not take the trade early. Because I know if I take the profits early, I mean, I'll make profit, but if I take a loss, it's over. All them profits gone. So, and that's it. It just taught me those losses taught me to clean up my trading and tackle this market with full force. That's all they taught me. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a big fat like and subscribe for more. Part 3 will be probably coming the next trade or whatever, because we are doing a trading series on a 200K account. It helps me keep track of my trading, and it helps you to learn a few things from somebody from my perspective of taking a 200K account trade. I'll see y'all guys later. I kind of have an outro, but roll it, cuz sheesh.
Wait until the sun goes down, we gon' make this bitch light up. Even when the sun goes down,